Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to make a meringue. So here are the ingredients. 2 medium-sized egg, measuring spoons, 1/4 teaspoon. I won't be using the other one. Mixing bowl, any bowl that can handle the mixer, brown sugar, supposedly white sugar, but we don't have any white sugar, so yeah. So here's the cream of tartar. Here it is. For the first procedure, we will separate the egg yolk and the egg white. So let's do it. Oh, I just need a hand to give me a fork or spoon so I can break the egg the way I want it to break. So I already broke it and I'm opening the egg. So I think I'm gonna use my hands to separate the egg white and the egg yolk. And luckily I didn't break the egg yolk, and I was so very nervous at doing this, but it ends great. We're now cracking the second egg. So I'm just going to throw the eggshells and wash my hands to keep my workplace clean. Here's the egg white. It only gets a little bit yellowish because of the video's filter, but it doesn't have any mix of an egg yolk. At the end of the video, I will show you the raw video of my tutorial. So now we are going to put the cream of tartar. We will use the 1/4 teaspoon. Now we will use the mixer to mix the cream of tartar and the egg white. We will just mix it until the egg white gets bubbly. Now we will add the sugar. So I didn't use the other measuring spoon because there's a spoon inside the sugar's container, so I just use it instead. Mix, mix, mix! We will just mix this in a few minutes, then after that we will put another more sugar. And now we are adding more sugar. So if I am going to make this again, I will use the white sugar because it gets dirty white when I put the brown sugar, but the texture is good. It's fluffy and yeah, look at that. Now we have some peak here. So I am going to do some testing where I am going to put the meringue on the top of my head, then flip it over. Then if the meringue doesn't fall off, then it's a success. I am quite nervous here, but I am so happy when it didn't fall out of my head. So yeah, it's really great. Here are the other footages of my video.